Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Nike Air Zoom Alphafly Next Nature. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Let's go. So today, we've got a look at the Nike Zoom Alphafly Next Nature. We got this in the flat pewter black colorway in the UK men's 7.5, it's a US men's 8.5, and it's a European 42. This is part of Nike's Move to Zero line, and what they use is at least 20% recycled materials found in the sneaker and the box, and help Nike try and reduce their waste. However, as I do the unboxing, and if you're privy to our previous reviews with the Nike's Next to Zero lines, they don't put any paper inside. So it's just a bit weird that for these, they've incorporated the use of paper. It's a waste of paper in my opinion. Nike do better, be consistent in that regard. But you got probably the most innovative sneaker that Nike have for their running lines. This is beautiful. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole uses strips of rubber. You can see it, the forefoot and parts of the foam at the heel. So essentially the sneaker is kind of naked in regards to showing you the technology that it's using. So you can see the foam here, and you can see the fiber shank plate, or as Nike call it, the fly plate. It's there in that little window right there. But we'll show you the technologies more as we move to the midsole. So this midsole is mostly used of the Zoom X here to foam. It's Nike's new foam midsole, the Nike Zoom X. And don't worry guys, I didn't use this prior to the unboxing. This is how it comes in this worn look. It looks like the glue is just set and dried, and it looks like it's yellowing, but no, that is the aesthetic that this sneaker garners. Also, you can see the two AirPods here. It's there for your energy return, right there and there. Air Zoom, gotta love it. And as I mentioned before, you've got the carbon fiber shank plate or the fly plate. That's there for the snappy sensation for each stride that you take when you lift your feet up. When it comes to running sneakers, you know, Nike are probably one of the best brands when it comes to running sneakers. They essentially started out as a running brand, eventually going into basketball, football, etc. But they will always have probably the best running sneakers that the money could buy for. Looking at the upper, so you've got the newest form of Flyknit, and it is called Alphafly. And the difference there being is that it is essentially Flyknit, but it is steamed, and what that helps is to minimize water absorption, because you don't want any bits of water just being absorbed by your sneaker, adding weight, you know, essentially costing some time during your race. And in regards to racing, these are probably the best racing sneakers. I totally forgot the name of the marathon runner, so I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce his name. However, he was using the prototype of the Alphaflys, and he was able to get a record time of an hour, and I believe it was 21 minutes to run a marathon. That's like half the normal marathon runner's time. That is just unbelievable. However, Nike were accused of cheating because of the technologies, the way that the sneakers were shaped even. It just gave it an unfair advantage to the person wearing these sneakers. However, as a runner myself, I hope that this will give me added bonuses, help me cut my time. I'm not going to be running no marathons anytime soon, but hopefully in these will help me, you know, build myself to hopefully run a marathon. I'm getting way ahead of myself. Let's get back into the sneaker, and you can see bits of that Alphafly knit. Oh, forgive me, it's called Atom Knit. So that new fly knit is called Atom Knit. All around, helps it be lightweight, and breathable at the end of the day. You want these sneakers to be breathable because, you know, you're on your feet all day. They're going to be sweating. You don't want them to be hot. You just want to be cool. So that's what these Atom Knit uppers are going to help you attain. Looking at the medial and the lateral side of the sneaker, so you got fly print, and again, this is just a print. It's heat pressed plastics at the end of the day that's glued on to the knit. So you can see the Nike pinwheel here as well. So that incorporates 20% recycled materials that's used. Essentially, this is next to nature, or, you know, Nike's Move to Zero. This sneaker uses 20%, at least 20% recycled materials in the upper and at the foam, right there. We'll look at the tongue. So the tongue, again, this sneaker is just a sock, and, you know, there's no cuts to separate the tongue away from the upper. So you've got a whole unit. Flat lacing system, pull tab with the Alphafly and the Nike pinwheel logo, heat pressed on. The heel, you got pull tab to help get your feet in and out. Ankle support, it is slightly padded at the heel right there, but essentially it's as minimal to help you lightweight and just wrap around your ankles. So essentially you've got a barefoot feeling, which, you know, is what the best runners are. You know, they run bare feet, and you're meant to be running bare feet at the end of the day. That's what your feet are built for. I'm really excited to try these on. There's tons of technology. This is, again, one of Nike's most premium running sneakers on the market today, and the fact that we were able to get a pair to try on for you guys is great, and I can't wait to try these on for you. Let us know in the comment section below if you want us to do some performance reviews, some running performance, basketball, whatever. Let us know in the comment section below. Until then, roll that footage of me trying these bad boys on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. My toes are where they need to be. However, I think I should have worn more thin socks, ankle socks, or maybe even bare feet. Other than that, these are really comfy, very springy, and I can understand why people felt like you're a cheat if you're wearing this, if you know what I mean. Like damn, the responsiveness. Again, it feels like I'm propelling myself forward with an extra step. If you're going to be running and you want fast times, these Alphaflys are what you need. They're comfy, they're very, again, responsive, and that's what you need in a running sneaker. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.